Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to announce the winners of the GearBest Black Friday giveaway. The first prize is a $50 GearBest gift card and the second one a $25 one. I'm going to pick randomly 4 winners. The first 2 are going to get the prizes, but if they're not going to show up, they are going to be given to the second ones. So for example, if the first winner is not going to show up, but the second one does, the second winner is going to win the $50 gift card, and the third one is going to win the $25 one. So now I'm going to randomly select the winners. We had a total of 220 unique commenters, and the big winner is Raz Switcher. So actually Raz almost won one of my last prizes, so congratulations Raz. Now you won $50 gift card from GearBest. There you go, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to show up. So now we're going to select the second winner. And the second winner who won a $25 gift card is Terry Cannon. Thanks for the chance to win this great giveaway. Fingers crossed. So there you go. You just won $25 gift card. And the first runner-up, or the third place, is Dooley Curl. Wonderful, I'm in. So maybe you just won a $25 or maybe $50 gift card. And the fourth winner is Home Dronen. So in case 2 other winners are not going to show up, you have a chance to win a $25 gift card or maybe $50 if 3 winners are not going to show up. In case you won the giveaway, please contact me via my email down below and I'm going to take care of the rest. As always, I would like to thank all my subscribers for your continued support and GearBest for sponsoring this giveaway. See you in my next videos and goodbye.